Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how we can delete this unused memory partition named as healthy recovery partition. So for removing it, open your CMG. Here write a command disk part. Here list all volumes. Here I have 4 volume 0, volume 1, 2 and 3. Here I will compare my volume with my storage size or memory size. Here I want to delete this volume, this one. So for deleting it, first I will select this volume. After selecting the volume, I will run a command delete volume overwrite. Disk part successfully deleted the volume. Now my volume is deleted, and we can repeat the process for other volumes also. Here it is now showing as unallocated. Now I will merge this unallocated volume in my C drive. For merging it, I will do right click on C drive and click on extend volume. Click on next, and click on finish. Here my volume is increased. So that's all for this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and useful videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.